Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to hide your story from specific Instagram account on your followers. Okay, so first thing we have to do here is just go open the Instagram application. Okay, and after that, if you are in the home section, you can just go slide your screen into the right side until you access the story sections. And now in the story sections, you just need to go into the settings, which is in this upper right corner here. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to go into the story section, in the stories sections settings. Okay, and now in the viewing story, there will be appear in the first row right written here hide story from, so you just need to click it. Okay, and when you already arrive in this hide story from, you just need to scrolling down and choose which account that you want to hide to. Okay, for example, I would like to hide from this, so I just need to click at this, and to explore more account, just need to like scrolling down until you found the account that you want to hide the story from. Okay, for example, you want to hide from this and many more. So after you're done, you just need to go click done. So that's all the way how to hide your story from specific Instagram account on your Instagram. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.